Hey, John, now you need to tell us the knob story.
What story? Oh, the knob. Getting back to the knob. The reason I don't have knobs on my refrigerator, just kidding. The reason I don't have knobs on my stove is when I lived in this apartment, I'm one of those guys where someone else lived here before, they said they cleaned it, whatever. I gotta clean everything. So that everything can be set a fresh layer of clean before I touch it. So whenever I touch it, I know I was the last one to touch it. So, I take the knobs off the stove, I put them in my bucket, fill a bucket of hot water and Lysol. Later on, as I press the timer again, let's check that number. We'll continue with the story. I think I'm going to give it 3 more minutes till I get a little bit more brown on the top. So, I proceed to get the mop out, start washing the floors with that water, get down to the bathroom, sit down, toss another joint. Probably the reason it happened. But, long story short, I know it's a little too late for that. Don't be sarcastic. I take the bucket after I'm done, the floors are dry, go in the bathroom, I dump it in the toilet. I'm like, what the fuck is... Oh, shit! I dove in. And this, folks, is the sole survivor. The unfortunate thing is that only operates before burners. If I want to adjust the temperature of my stove, I want to turn my oven on or off the broiler, that triangular wedge that I seem to have MacGyvered with my mind fits quite perfectly, and as you can see, it also acts as a pointer to what setting you're on. Off. When you're mechanical and resourceful, those are the types of things that you can expect to, have to figure out on a day-to-day basis. Now, we're getting that cornbread in another 3 minutes, but I think it's fine. Carve, you and I, a nice piece of this bread. Get out a couple of plates. Stove knob back over here so we can go this when we need it. Since we got another meat on the cornbread. You always want to, like I said, you go back and add, the longer you keep it on the stove, it's simmering. Once it's at that temperature, it's going to continue to thicken. So you want to keep an eye on that. Kind of like you would when you're cooking pudding, you don't want to get the skin on top. So, I trust J.A. Henkel. Special knife set. Always like to keep a fresh edge on my knife. And then carry that. First, let's remove this pesky tile. Get that right out of there. Good piece of cornbread. Again, I'm going to give it another 2 minutes. This is a double back, so it's only normal to exceed the normal time because cupcakes are small individually. We got a center we don't want to leave raw. So I'm going to give it that.
I'll bet you on that box in there it gave you directions to make it like this.
Oh, I'll bet you a bit. I'll bet you did.
I bet you did.
one hell of a breath.